At ngayon po, ang ating pinakaabangan, ang first kiss ni Chris at ni Fatima bilang mag-asawa. Chris, you may now kiss your bride.
Baby, bago ang lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos sa pagkakataong ito na binigay niya sa akin na ikaw ay makaisang dibdib. Napakaswerte ko at masasabi ko na bless ako dahil nasa iyo ang katangian ng isang mabuting may bahay. Isa kang mabait, maalaga, maalalahanin, mapagkakatiwalaan at mapagmahal na tao.
Uy, sana all! Parang ayaw niya ipabukas. Ikaw magbayad lahat. Hi, baby. My wife. Wife na agad. Wow! Tanggapin mo itong aking munting regalo bilang ikaw na bagong tigapamahala ng ATM. Ibinibigay ko sa'yo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw magbayad lahat.
Isinusuko ko na sa iyong ATM ngayon. At mamaya naman ang bataan naman isusuko. I love you, baby.
At sa darating nga ng mga araw bilang mag-asawa, ikaw at ako ang magiging sandalan ng isa't isa tuwing tayo ay may problema. Ikaw at ako din ang magsasaya sa tuwing meron tayong nakakamit na tagumpay at tatanggap na biyaya. See you later at 1 p.m. I love you, Johan.
Charger, pare, charger.
Timex, Relo. Yun, ito yung message niya. Oo.
Yun.
Basahin ko yung message, no?
Basahin mo, pare.
Watch service warranty. Yun, sweet naman nun.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for purchasing your watch. Sobrang sweet. Wow.
Wala ka naman eh.
Baby, thank you for being in my life. Tagal natin itong hinintay. Since andito na tayo, ito na to, bagong yugto ng buhay natin. See you later at 1 p.m.
Susunod na nga na plano natin ay ang pagbuo ng pamilya. Tatagan lang natin, baby. At sa araw-araw nating mahalin ang isa't isa. I love you, baby, always and forever. My baby, my wife, and the future mother of my child. I love you.
Do you ever think about it? How people fall in love. It's not the way that they look. That's from movies and books. It's a feeling that creeps inside. It ain't the fancy kind. It just builds over time. Holds a spirit together when it tears. It's what I got inside, it's what I'll live.
Crisanto Banyaga Red, you are my love and my destiny. Who would have thought that the person I haven't seen and been with for more than 17 years would be my future husband? From the moment we met again, I knew that God lead me to you for a reason. Thank you, baby, for being in my life. Sa walang sawang pagmamahal na binibigay mo despite of my imperfections at sa pagiging masungit ko. Nakangiti!
Have you ever stopped to notice how two hearts become one? They can see what they feel, hear what they mean. It's something that just can't be explained. It ain't the fancy kind, it just builds over.
I cannot promise I will always be perfect wife, pero ipinapangako ko sa'yo na igagalang, aalagaan, mamahalin at pipiliin ka sa araw-araw.
Give you all of my life. I love you like the real thing, with your wrinkles and your scars. You don't have to.
Napakahalaga daw ng communication. Number 1, communication. Sabi nga, when communication stops, love stops as well. Sapagkat ang communication ang isang pinakamatibay na paraan para magkaroon ng ugnayan ang mag-asawa.
It's beautiful till you start to believe. Honey, I love you like the real thing. Honey, I love you like the real thing. I love you like the real
I pray that our love grows stronger and deeper as each day passes. From this day to this special day, ikaw ang una at huli kong mamahalin. Happy 4th anniversary. I love you.
Places on your back leg that you say needs surgery.